widget is very helpful widget, and it is useful for the give the background color and hiding and alignment of subwidgets and transformation. For this purpose we use container widget. Now I am created one simple application with the container widget. Property we can give the background color. Yes, color was applied. Next I am giving the padding. Apply padding for the child widget. Using this edge insets dot all, we can apply padding for the all the side of widget. Instead of that, we can use only. If I would like to apply padding only for the left side, we have to add parameter of left. And if you want to use the only right side, you can use right. Like this, we have left, right, top, and bottom. Okay. I am again using the all. Okay. And we can give the margin also. This concept also same like padding. Now the margin is applied to the container widget. Like padding, we can apply margin also same left side. Okay. And the container widget is right now in the rectangular shape. We can use the decoration. Now I am using the box decoration. We can provide the shape also. I am giving the circle. Now see, the container widget shape was changed to circle. And box shape we can draw rectangle also. We have so many parameters here, but most probably we can provide border radius also. Now see, the radius was applied. Okay. To transform, we can use matrix 4. We can rotate all the directions x, y, z. Now I am rotating to the z direction. Z direction I am giving the just 0.4. Now see, the container widget is rotated.